How did you practice the last classes? What I have explained, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you able to understand, right, everyone?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
yes, sir.
Okay. So now we are going.
Frankly, sir, Hemant here. It is
Yeah.
bit difficult for me,
Sorry.
but I am going through.
It's a quite difficult.
Yeah, it was bit difficult for me, but I am going through it.
Yes, yes. No, no, no. Actually, what it is the coding in the sense it's not easy. See, in the admin, you will not get this kind of difficulties. You have solved so many things in the in the admin part. But when you come in the coding, right, it's a little bit difficult. When you practice 2 or 3 times, it's more easy. I mean, it is more easier to you. If you are not practice means it is a little bit difficult to you when you are doing a task. So practice is the main thing. You should have to practice. Clear?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay. So see, everyone can't able to perfect in 1 day or 2 day. Okay, it should take a lot of time. When you practice, then only you can able to understand everything like how to solve the issue and how we need to create it and how we need to put the logic. When you I mean when you practice, then only you can able to do. Like that's why I'm explaining very basic. This is what, and already Punit have some knowledge of the Java, I think. Punit, are you getting right? Punit or Daya? Punit, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Are you able to getting like you having a little bit knowledge on the Java part, right? Which is access
Ye-
modifiers and which is these all the
Yes, sir.
things.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, yeah. So when you free, right? Just uh, contact to Hemant and Daya. Just explain the little bit more thing. Like you can explain about the what is the access modifiers and what is the primitive data types and what is the non-primitive data types. Like they can able to understand when they will hear the class, right? They can able to understand very clear and they can able to practice. Clear?
Okay, sir. Sure.
Yeah. So now I will share my screen. Okay. Okay, you can able to see my screen, right? Everyone?
Yes, yes.
What was this one? It was this last way. Is it this one? This. Okay, you can able to see, right? So this is a class which we have done the last topic. In the last class, we have done this one, right? Everyone?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, now we are going to continue the third method, which is a primitive data types. Primitive data types. Public stat. What is the static here? Static is a keyword. We are having two types, right? Static and without static. void it's a non-primitive. Now we are going to start a non-primitive data types. Non-primitive data types. Okay. Like you can able to see, right? Open braces and close braces. This one. This is a if it is empty. If it is empty means it's a without parameters. Without parameters. And if I mention anything in the braces, so it is called as a with parameter. With parameter. Okay. So now we are going to start non-primitive data type. Okay. In the non-primitive data type, we are having a three types of methods. Three types of methods. The three types of methods we are calling it as a collections. Data types. Types. Okay. And also we can call it as a collections. Collections. Okay. We can call it as a collections. So in the collections and non-primitive data type, both are same word. Both are same word. See, it's a primitive data type which it will give a single value only. Which it will give a single value to us if you are using a data type and variable and value. It will give to us only single value in the primitive data type. Okay. Non-primitive data type means it will give bulk data to us. It will give bulk data to us. It is called it as an array. Uh, Punit and Bhargavi, you know, right? What is the array?
Yes, sir. Collection of data.
Yes, exactly. It is a collection of data. So this is a primitive data types. Okay, and it's a non-primitive means it's a collection which we can able to store, which we are able to store bulk data in the variable, bulk data in the variable. So when we execute, right, it will give a output with the help of the with bulk data. It will not give a single data to us. It will give a bulk data to us. Hemant, Daya, did you got it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
now in the collections, we're having a three methods. It's an introduction as well. In these collections, types of collections. Can you tell me in Apex what's the collection and what are the types of collections they will ask? Then you should have to say yes. In the collections, it's a collection of data which we can able to insert bulk. Okay. In that collections, we're having a three types of methods. The first one is list, and second one is set, and third one is map. Third one is map. Three. Okay, list methods, set method, and map method. Three. These three comes under in the collections, or else we can able to say non-primitive. Non-primitive. Okay. List means what is the list here? It will allow duplicate values. Okay. It will allow list means it will allow duplicate values. Okay. And set it will avoid duplicate values. Okay. It will it will be avoid duplicate values if you are using a set. If we are using a map, it will give to us key value. Along with that, it will not allow duplicate values. Clear? So these are definitions of the list set. It's a simple definitions you can able to understand, and whenever as per your understanding, you should have to say the definition. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, first is list. List method. List method. So how we can able to write a list method? How we can able to write a list method? List means it's an array of the collection. We can able to store bulk data. We can able to store multiple data. How it is possible? So it's possible simple list. Now here list of, we can able to say list of, this is a of, list of string is a data type. String is a data type. We can mention here string, we can mention here number, we can mention here decimal, anything you can mention. Okay. Now names, account names. Okay. Account, it's a variable. It's a variable. It's a data type. It's a variable. Okay. Now new list string. So this is a syntax of list method. It is a syntax of list method. This is how we need to write. Now we can able to insert so many values in this variable. We can able to store very easily. But here we can't able to show bulk data in variable in one variable, because we are not using any kind of list. We are not using any kind of set. We are not using any kind of map. So we are using just one data type only. And here we are using a list. We can able to store multiple values in this variable. Hope did you clear?
Yes,
sir.
yes.
Okay. Now account name dot add. Okay. For example, John. Okay. Now if I copy, enter John and Burke. What I will do, but now you can, are you understanding, right? This, I mean, these both names are different. Okay. But these both names are same. I'm using here same values. Correct? Everyone?
Correct. Yes,
Now I
yes.
will print system dot debug, show me names. Show me names. Okay, save it. When I save, if I want to execute, then first of all I will call the address class. Then I will call this method because I want to run this method, non-primitive data type. I don't want to run anything. Okay. Now if I execute, right, then what will happen? Then what will happen? It will give to us. It will give to us John Burke. Okay. It's showing it. I mean, when I use a list method, it's giving me duplicate values also. It is giving to me duplicate values also. Hope did you clear list what it's doing here? Okay, guys.
Yes,
sir.
yes, sir. Displaying a duplicate.
Now,
Sir, can you store
yeah.
integer values also in list, sir?
Sorry.
Can you store integer values also in list or
Yes,
only
integer
string
value also we can able to
values?
show. We can able to store the integer.
Okay,
Then what we need to do? We need to change the data type as an integer. If we
okay,
use the
got it, sir.
integer, right, then we need to insert here. We need to remove this one. We need to insert the integer.
Integer values. Okay,
Yeah. Now,
okay,
here, if I use this one, for example, it's a set. Okay, set, same as it is. Syntax should be same. Syntax it will be same. Now I will use here integer. I will use here integer. Okay, as per your word here, integer. Now the both variables are same, right? Means it will throw the error because in one method I'm using two method. Sorry, list method and set method. It will throw the error. Why? Means the both variables are same. If I use the different variable, if I use this concept in the different method, then it will not throw the error. Means in one method, if you use the same variables, right, it will throw the error. It will throw the. That's why I will use a one here. I will use a one. It will change. Okay, one, 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 one. Okay, now one, two, one, two. If I save, copy and paste it. Okay. If I save, if I run this code, if I execute this code, then check how it will give to us. Then what it will give to us exactly here? It will give only, this is a list. Okay. This is a set. Set is giving me duplicate or it's avoiding the duplicate.
It is
Avoiding
avoiding.
the duplicate.
Yeah. In set. Okay. See here, the whole apex, it's depending on the collections only. You should have to understand the list very carefully and set also very carefully. And map we don't want to require. Map we don't want to focus on that because it's not a mandatory thing. The mandatory is list and set. The both is very important. The both are the both concept is very important. Okay. Now I'm going to show you map. Enter map. Okay. Now how we can able to write a map? How we can able to write a map? So it's not a concept to write a map. So what I will do here, I will remove the syntax. Sorry, I don't want to remove. I will change the syntax. Map. In map, it will give what it will give to us. It will give a key and along with that value also. Key and values means key is a one data type and value is a one data type. In map, we need to use two data types. One is string, one is integer, second one is string. Like this, we need to use in map. In map, every off, we need to insert two data types. Whether you can put any data type as well. But in map method, you should have to use two data types mandatory. Clear?
Yes.
This one. New. And this one too. Okay. Two, 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 two. Okay. If I save this, hey, okay. See here, in this in the list also I have put a add. Okay, I'm adding a this one, so that's why I have took a add, and in the set also I have took a add. When I use in map, if I took a add means, then what it's throwing the error? Can you able to see? Method does not exist or incorrect signature void add integer for the type map. Type map. Why means in the bracket what I'm taking here, it's integer only I'm taking. But in map what how many data types I have took here? Two. Integer and string. I should have to mention a string as well. Comma. Salary for example 2000, comma John. Okay. Now it's 4000. 4000 is the integer. Now what is the string here? BR, but okay. Now same address. Same address I will paste here. Save. Save. So means it's a key. It's a key and it's a value. It's a value. If I open this, you can see variable does not exist John. Variable does not exist Berg. Variable does not exist John. variable does not exist, but it's showing the error. Why means we have, it's a wrong. Add is a wrong in the map method. What we need to insert here? Put. We need to insert put in map method. If I save this one, right, then then it will not throw the error. I guess something is wrong, some fishy. Mm, okay. Uh, okay, can you tell me what is the error exactly? Anyone? I know the
Earlier
error exactly.
in the names you have quoted that one. Here also we need to put the quote.
Yes. Very good. Daya, right?
No, Hemant.
Hey, very good.
Yeah.
But we are saying it's a little bit tricky, but you have focused very carefully. See here. Now method does not exist or incorrect signature while both values also if you give right from the type map add is a void add. It's showing it to us add means it's a error to us. It's a error to us. So in this time what we need to do, we need to insert here put.
Put.
If I save, if I save, uh, save ma. Okay. If I run this code, if I run this code, if I execute, what you can able to see here? It's a list, it's a set, and it's a map. Map is not giving any kind of duplicate value and it's giving a key value to us. It said 2000 is a key and value is a job. 2000 is a key, sorry, 4000 is a key and value is a bulk. Clear?
Yes, yes.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Okay,
as we
just,
are using what?
yeah,
Hello,
yeah, yeah.
sir. Puneet here.
Yeah, yeah.
As we're using put here to insert the data, right, sir? Should
Yes.
we use any get command to get the data out of that?
Yeah. In
Like
map, we can able to
variable
use a get. In map we can
okay.
able to use the get when we need to use when we are using a bulkifying code bulkifying in the sense when we are using the bulkifying when if I am using a bulkifying means I should have to use for loop. In the for loop I can able to
For
use
loop.
a get, then only I can able
Okay.
to get the value from the key. It's a
Uh-huh.
basic, it's a basic of the understanding about the map set